Okay, first I want to start off by apologizing for the camera quality. My camera and stuff is in storage, so I'm having to use my phone to record this. But anyways, let's get into this. This box is the Evanpo T95ZPLUS, and the other day I was using it and I went to restore it, and long story short, when I restored it, it completely quit. It flashed the operating system and bricked it. So I contacted Evanpo and they sent me the firmware for it, and sent me the firmware for this model plus the other model. And I decided to make a video for anybody else who's having this issue. I mean, because whenever it flashes the software off of it, you cannot see anything. It will not show anything on the TV screen. It will not show anything at all. You can't even get into recovery or nothing. But with this video I'm making, I will show you how to make a flash SD card that all you do is put it into the side of the box right there, and when you put it into that box, it'll automatically boot it up and your box will start working again. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if it helps you, please like and comment. Thank you. Alright, so what you need to do now is download the files or the firmware to whichever device you have, whether or not it's the 16 gigabyte version or 32 gigabyte. I have both download links in the description, and go ahead and download those, and once you have them downloaded, you can go ahead and press play and continue with this tutorial. I have already downloaded it for mine, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do. Okay, so first off, whenever you get it downloaded, it will be in RAR format. You will need a program called WinRAR. I will include the link in the description so you can get it, and it'll come with a trial, so you won't have to pay nothing. So what you'll do is you'll get the file, you'll open it, and inside the folder or archive it will have this folder. What you need to do is extract that folder to your desktop. Now if you have the 2G version, it'll be a little different, you know, but same principle. It'll take just a second. And this will save you from anything, whether it's bricked or anything. Okay, and once it has been transferred to your desktop, you can go ahead and close out. Move this file over. Okay. Next thing you need to do is go ahead and put your micro SD card in. I have a micro SD card to SD in my computer, so I'm going to put it in. And it opens up. I've already put these files on here. I'm going to go ahead and format mine. I recommend you format your SD card before you do this anyways. So go ahead and plug in your SD card. Open it up. I'll drag it there. Now open the folder that you just downloaded and extracted, and you'll get two folders inside of it. You'll have instructions and tools, and then the actual firmware, which is right here. First thing you want to do is open the firmware folder and copy all files inside of that folder over to your SD card. And this will take a little bit of time. It's a pretty big file. Alright, now that it's almost done, and once it gets done, I mean, you'll need to do a couple more steps, but I mean, it's pretty much, this is the most simplest process of any of the other boxes that I have used before. So I mean, it's a real good box. Evanpo has done a real good job at this. Now I'm sorry, I apologize for the video quality and everything. My camera It's currently in storage, and I'm having to use minimal essentials. But anyways, let's continue. Okay. So once you have this transferred over to the SD card, what you will do is go back on the folder that you downloaded, go back and open up instructions. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the instruction and tools folder, open it up, and you will see boot card maker. What you'll need to do is go ahead and open this. And here's what you will have to do. Go ahead and make sure SD card is in your computer and select it. You can not even worry about this if you've already formatted your SD card. If not, you can click it and it will just format it. Go over here and click open. And it should bring up this file right here. All you do is click that and click open. And then click make. And as simple as that, you are done. You have your SD card done and it's got the files on it. What you'll need to do is plug it into the box, which is the side right here. You just take it and it'll fit right in there. And then all you do is plug it up. And I mean, everything else should be pretty much automated. And then just watch what happens. And I mean, it'll take a little bit to upgrade. As you can see, the box is upgrading. It has just finished. And it is restarting. Now, the first boot will take a minute. Just give it a second before you even uninstall, like take the SD card out. And as you can see, now it's cutting on. Now, whenever it first boots up, this boot screen will take a little bit before it comes on because it's having to install all the apps back into it and everything. But I mean, beforehand, it wouldn't even go to this. So that's how you restore your bricked T95Z if it's from Evanpo, and they're real good with customer service. I mean, they got back to me within 24 hours and gave me links to the firmware so I can make this video and help y'all out. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helps everybody, and thank you for watching my video. Now it's booted up, as you can see. You can go ahead and take your SD card out and you're good to go. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you out.